Hey guys, the Yacht Hunter here, and today we're discussing the 3 types of offers that yacht purchasers and yacht brokers make when buying their yachts. The first and the most common one is the float, or what I call the lowball. Every yacht purchaser wants a deal, wants the best deal, yet no sellers ever want to give the deal. A lowball is just an unsubstantiated offer because you think you can get it at a certain value. Listing for 10 million? Oh, I'll offer you 3. Why? There's not really any reasoning or rationale behind it. It's to kind of test to see if the seller is willing to play. Maybe they're in a hurry to deal. It's done in every transaction, but either the seller is gonna totally ignore your offer, or you're gonna realize that there might be some heavy room to negotiate. The second type of offer is not anyone's favorite, but sometimes it's a little effective. And this is the elevator offer. This is when you start here, a really attractive price point or offer that a seller is going to accept. After the survey is completed and findings come back, which there's always going to be findings in a survey, all of a sudden that offer is not as attractive as it seemed, and the broker or buyer requests a significant credit, which totally changes the landscape of the deal. A lot of brokers do this, and it's not my favorite strategy because it pretty much wastes everyone's time. But at the end of the day, this is an option that any yacht purchaser has available to them. But my preference, my favorite, is the third type of offer, and that's the squeeze. And this is why I complete my Yachtlytics yacht purchasing reports for my customers. This is where you take data, this is where you take numbers, and this is how you create an offer that makes the seller say, wow, I didn't realize that, and if I don't accept this offer, it might even go down the next time. So you pressure the seller into accepting a rather low offer, but yet is backed up by significant evidence. So if you're looking to create your squeeze offer, I'm your guy. Feel free to reach out to me on my website and request your free yacht purchasing Yachtlytics report to initiate your squeeze offer. Be sure to check out my website, www.theyachthunter.com. But before doing so, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video as well. So, as always, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy yachting, my friends.